Linux High Availability Clustering on RHEL 8, CentOS 8. Description. Design and deploy HA cluster active, passive or active services using pacemaker on SC and KVM lab environment. Requirements. Linux operating systems basic knowledge. VMware ESXi. VMware Workstation. RHEL 8.0 ISO. Internet and get access to RHEL 8 repo. Speak confidently and be from the elite. Description. Controlling anxiety, enhancing self-confidence, the subconscious mind, attract people and success to you. Requirements. The readiness to apply the strategies presented in this course. Malware Analysis Masterclass. Defeat hackers and malware. Description. Learn basic to advanced techniques on how to properly secure and harden your computer and files against hacks and malware. Requirements. No prerequisites required. Beginner course. Complete responsive web development. 4 courses in 1. Description. Master yourself in HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, jQuery and responsive web development. Requirements. No prior technical knowledge required. Writing security tools in ethical hacking. Description. A comprehensive ethical hacking guide. Write your own ethical hacking security tools from scratch. Requirements. Basic knowledge of computer and networking. A computer or laptop or Android mobile with internet connection. Artificial Intelligence Expert Certification. Description. A groundbreaking course that uncovers artificial intelligence, AI-powered secretive technologies, tools and websites. Requirements. None. However, several artificial intelligence coding tools will be taught in the course. Most of the tools will be free and also paid alternatives will be covered. You can choose the best tools according to your requirement with the correct features during usage. Redis, world's fastest database, beginners to advance. Description. Learn real-world production scenarios. Requirements. This course does not require any prior experience. However, some prior experience of working with Linux and key-value DB can help in understanding course faster. Master Python Complete Course. Description. Python for data science and machine learning. Requirements. No prior programming experience required. Linux for cloud and DevOps engineers. Description. Linux basics about files, directories, installations, networking, system configuration, user management etc. Requirements. Basic computer knowledge. Business Analytics Complete Course. Description. Learn business analytics step by step and hands-on assignments to become a business analyst or data scientist. Requirements. Internet connection. SHASH Base Programming Complete Course. Description. Learn to become SHASH Certified Base Programmer. Requirements. Eager to learn and practice internet connection. Please download SHASH University Edition tool online.